Ready to unleash your inner chef and whip up delicious meals with ease? Tasty recipes. Cooking videos transforms the way you cook, offering thousands of visually stunning step-by-step recipes right at your fingertips. But does this popular app truly make cooking fun and foolproof? The Tasty app is a treasure trove, featuring over 10,000 recipes with engaging video guides and step-by-step instructions that even keep your phone awake while you cook. You can search by ingredients, dietary needs, or occasion, and even use their AI recipe creator for new ideas. For example, easily finding a quick, delicious dinner recipe using ingredients you already have, watching a clear video tutorial, and successfully creating a meal that impresses everyone is incredibly empowering for any home cook. However, some users occasionally report that the app can be slow to load, or that the AI recommendations might not always be perfectly aligned with their specific preferences. Filtering recipes by multiple tags can also be a bit cumbersome. What's your thought?